Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Bunch. Today, thinking about flower substitution. That's a phone call I get so frequently. How do I substitute? What do I substitute? First and foremost, always think about color. That's what people see first. So if it's a yellow flower, substitute another yellow flower. Pink for pink, purple for purple. Then, in addition to color, you want to think about the shape of the flower. Flowers come in four main shapes: line, mass, form, and filler. So if it's a line flower, like a snapdragon, think of another line flower, liatris, gladiolas, even grasses could work, or a branch, curly willow. If it's a form flower, something interesting like protea or banksia, substitute another form. Some things like hydrangea and sunflower, they're so bold that they get classified in as a form flower. Then mass is a basic round flower. Think roses, carnations. So substitute a dahlia, a chrysanthemum, something else round and mass-like. Filler flowers, those are your more fluffy things. Solid aster, Queen Anne's lace, baby's breath. Substitute another filler. So if you think color first, then shape second, you'll be successful at substituting flowers.